you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kunan. Yeah!
Happy birthday, Wade!
Happy birthday, Wade. I love you.
Ayun lang, love kita.
Gusto, sana maging mabuti kang bata at nag-aaral kang mabuti.
Happy birthday, Wade! Happy birthday, Wade! Happy birthday, Wade! Love you!
Lumaki siyang, may takot sa Diyos. Ayun lang.
Hi, Wewe. I wish you good health and we're always here to support you sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa life and we're here to spoil you. Yun lang. Enjoy your day. It's your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Wade. Ano ba sabihin ko? Ulit. Happy birthday, Wade. Wish ko sa'yo is lumaki kang mabait na bata, mabuting tao, at makatapos na pag-aaral mo, at matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun lang. Love you.
Masaya, sabay-sabay naman po natin kantahan si Wade. So our traditional song must be sing Johnny and Clap Your Hands. Sabay-sabay! Happy birthday! Mas malakas! Sabihin naman natin batiin na masaya hanggang sa dulo ng mataas na energy. Happy birthday, Wade! And 3, 2, 1... Happy birthday, Wade! Happy. And all of you guys, matiin mo na kung nakatayo ang bawat isa. Let's proceed to our opening prayer first. Okay? Asa po si Mami? Samahan po natin si Wade po. So all of you, let's bow your head and to the presence of the Lord. In the name of the...
Good evening sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat na nakapunta kayo sa birthday ni Wade, mga relatives, mga classmates ni Wade, at mga friends.
Palakpakan naman po natin si Mami. Maraming salamat. And Mami, matanong ko lang po, behind the name po, napakagandang pangalan po ang Wade at kakaiba po. Kung kayo po ay matanong po, maaari niyo po bang ibahagi po para mas ma-recognize po ng mga tumayong ninong-ninang po ni Wade? Ano po bang pinanggalingan nito? Bakit ito po ang pangalan na binigay niyo sa inyong anak?
Yung Wade kasi, yung kuya niya Wayne, tapos yung Wade. Tapos yung Zephaniah, ang meaning nun is God has concealed, God has protected.
So, related po pala yung mga pangalan po ni Wade ay manggaling po sa mga kapatid po at galing sa biblical name po. Palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you! And Mami, matanong ko lang po, katangian po na gusto ipagmalaki sa araw nito. Bukod sa kagwapuan, taglay naman po niya. Muli isang batang
Mabait, thoughtful.
okay, mabait, thoughtful, and
Makulit.
makulit. Palakpakan naman po natin si Mami. Okay. And last po, Mami, dahil wala din si Daddy po at kayo po ang matatanong ko dito, looking forward for future, ang bilis lang po ng mga panahon at ang mga ibang kapatid po ni Wade ay malalaki na po. So kayo po matatanong po, dream come true para kay Wade, ano po gusto niyong marating or matapos po balang araw? Isa po bang police, doktor, engineer, attorney, or anything else na hindi ko nabanggit po? Kasi may baril po, Mami. Ito po.
Ay, din chef.
Chef and?
Titan.
Okay. Mali palang hayop ni Wade ngayon. Dapat pala yung mga pang-culinary Okay, walang makalawa po natin si Mami. Chef, future chef. Okay. And this time po, itaas ang dalawang kamay. Okay, get ready. Simple lang po gagawin natin, Jolly Kids. Let's do close open your hands at 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. Second, put your hands to your armpit. Okay, dalawang kamay ilagay sa kilikili. Okay, flip po natin just like a chicken. Gayaan lang po si ate sa harapan. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Third, dalawang kamay ilagay sa bewang. Okay, to your waist. Kaimbon po tayo 4 na beses. Left until right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And last, ayan, sumabalo na si Kuya Wade. Okay. Let's clap your hands all together at 4 times. 4 na beses po. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Make it faster. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Very good. For now, kailangan po natin adjustment po. So, space each other po tayo. Kuya, usap lang po tayo banda dito ng konti. Okay, adjust lang po tayo para hindi po tayo magkabanggaan po. Okay, thank you. Okay, get ready for now. Sabay-sabay po taas ang dalawang kamay.
Taas daw kamay, bili.
And get ready, lalagyan na po natin ito ng music at sabay-sabay tayo sasayaw ng chicken dance. Everyone, sabay-sabay. Okay, make it energy. Close open. Chicken, chicken. Shake, 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 shake. 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 Clap, clap. Okay, that's so nice. Right. Wave your hand. Okay, make it higher. Okay, higher. Okay, taas ako. Okay, hindi na taas ang kamay. Babalik kayo ni Kuya Wade. Sabay-sabay, taas kamay. Be ready. Close open. Chicken, chicken. Shake, 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 shake. 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 Clap, 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 clap. Very good. Palakpakan niyo po yung natin po. Okay, and now, sabi ni Kuya Louie at Ate Jen Rose po, we divide first into your group. For now, magsama-sama po ang boys, magsama-sama po ang girls. Okay, go! Sama-sama po. 10, 9, 8. Sa akin ang girls. Dito kayo sa akin. Happy birthday! Ulit, mas mataas. Happy birthday! Palakpakan po natin si Wade. Happy birthday. Okay, so get ready kids. Walang alis po sa bill.
Hi Wade, happy birthday! Sana lumaki kami mabait and sana lagi kang sumunod sa akin pag pinapatulog ka ng hamon. Ayun lang. Saka sana maging player ka ng sidit. Ayun na kasi maging player ng sidit. Happy birthday, Wade! Makasan mo yung pagiging makulit mo. Ayun. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos and mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Ayun lang. I love you. Happy birthday, Wayne. Sana maging lumaki kang mabait and study hard. Yun lang. Wayne, happy birthday. Punta ka sa bahay, magluluto ka kita.
Our new celebrator, Wayne. Again, I'm virtually your party host. To the report, this is a good. Your special day today. I know you're excited. Wait, I love you. This day is for you. I hope to enjoy my gift to you. Enjoy it with your friends and family dyan sa Pinas. It's Jollibee time. Happy birthday. Daddy loves you. Enjoy your day, anak. Daddy loves you so much. I miss you. Go back na to Dubai, ha? I love you. Marami kang gift. Show me, ha? Show me your gift. Sige na. Enjoy your day dyan. Happy birthday. Video call na lang tayo ulit. Everyday ako mag-video call sa'yo. Bye-bye.
Wish I had a mockingbird. I wish I had a diamond ring. I wish I had a pink raincoat. Wish I had a pretty thing like you.
Alam ko na yan, wait.
I wish I had a bubble gum. I wish I had a Zeppelin. Wish I had a kaleidoscope. Wish I had a pretty thing like you.
And that's where magkaroon tayo ng family or ito pwede na tayo makapatid pa. Okay, ayun ba na natin?
I wish I had a mockingbird. Wish I had a diamond ring. Wish I had a pink ring. Wish I
Get ready. And 7 wishes to Jollibee. At hindi pa po natatapos doon ang kanyang mga regalo dahil si Jollibee may birthday wish na po ibabahagi po sa ating lahat at lalong-lalo na kay Kuya Wade. Okay, Kuya Wade po ka dito sa unahan. Okay, Jollibee, how many birthday wish do you have for Wade? I will count for you. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dahil apat lang talaga ang nalili mo. Palagpakan po natin si Jollibee. Okay. Ay, nalulungkot si Jollibee, umiiyak, wala ito pumapalakpak. Okay, first is Jollibee. To grow up, become smart, intelligent, and strong and healthy. And handsome. Palakpakan mo po natin si Jollibee. Second wish, Jollibee. Si Wade ay limang batang isang magalang and magasari and may pananalibigan. Pero kung ano ang Francis? May niligilig pa yan. Para makulihan si Jollibee. Okay, third wish, Jollibee. Si Wade ay limang batang isang maabot ang mga pangarap at malayo pa ang marating sa buhay. Para naman mo si Jollibee. And another one, mapagmahal sa ating lahat, lalo-lalo na sa kanyang mga kapatid at magulang. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jollibee. Kailan kaya matutulong magsalita si Jollibee? Okay, for your fourth and last wish, Jollibee, si Wade ay yung batang isa, always and of course, our best friend, Jollibee. Palakpakan naman po. Thank you so much, Jollibee. And get ready, Jollibee. Pili tayo ng dalawang regalo na bubuksan natin dito sa harapan para kay Wade. Pili tayo sa regalo. Okay, first need to be open. Happy birthday wish from Alex and Sandra family. Asan po kayo? Lapit po kayo para asan po? Picture po. Okay, buksan mo na. Ay, picture mo na daw muna po. Picture mo na po.
Wait, picture! Doon!
And thank you po kay Tito and Nina. Buksan na po yung Jollibee. Okay, naman po na 1 year supply po na Jollibee. Para po naman po natin si Tito and Nina. Thank you po. Salamat po. 1 year supply na yan ha. Kuya Wade. Okay, thank you sa Square Fishing Plate. Okay, and another one. Okay, Blocks Construction. Okay. 3 plus age. Okay, pataas na yung materials ko. Para pakain mo muna. Thank you po. And another thing to be open. Peter Wade, happy birthday. We love you. Para an added card family. Nasa po sila. Hello po. Okay, sabi ni picture tayo. Kaya rin po tayo dito kayo. Hindi naman pa pala nakita ang regalo. Okay lang kasi sila para sa aking regalo mo. Okay, wow! One glasset of Sandro. some other guests. Three, two, one. Happy birthday, Weweng! Palakpakan po natin si Wei. Okay, get ready guys. Team Barbilat and Team Wei. First category. Jollibee Maximum. Maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum. Maximum ang hanapin. Please arrange yourself, team member group, according to your food size. Pinakamalaming paago. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, sabay-sabay. 5, 4, papalakpak. Ako na sila. Okay, maximum? 10, 8, 7. Okay, palakpak mo na. 1.4. Okay. Next category. Jollibee, minimum to maximum, maximum to minimum, minimum ang hanapin ko. Please arrange yourself team member group according to your birth month. January to December. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. Minimum. April, June, August, November, okay. Next category. Jollibee Maximum. Maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum. Maximum ang hanapin. Please arrange yourself team member group according to your face value. Magandang gwapo sa unahan. Go! Hey! Nauna sila. Okay, 1 point. Sino po? Okay, 1 point po sa team Barbila. 2 points pa rin ang team po ni Kuya Wei. Okay, next category. Jollibee Maximum. Maximum to minimum, minimum to maximum. Please arrange yourself team member group according to your age. Maximum 10, 9, 8, okay, maximum 29, 25, 21, 14. Okay. And Sister Mommy, already na lang po yung Gcash po kung magkano ang amount ko agad sa kanila. Okay, maraming salamat. Thank you. And of course, sa girls naman po, sige lang po ang gagawin niyo po. Okay, continue na po na.
Salamat sa mga nagbigay ng gift. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, and everyone, sabay-sabay niyo bati naman siya. Happy birthday, Wade, and 3, 2, 1! Happy birthday! Okay, palakpakan naman po natin si Wade. Happy birthday! And of course, on behalf of Jollibee, Basketball of the Team and Management, we would like to thank you for tuning in to our ceremony party here at Jollibee. Again, and your